Hi everybody, it's Saturday, December 3rd. We're in Huntington Beach. It's a cool 66 degrees. We're going to do a little walking tour on Main Street up to the pier. All right, peace. Here we go. Hey, don't I know you? Hey, how are you? Good. What's going on? Are you going skiing with us tomorrow? I mean, to the mountains today? See you tomorrow then. I'm gonna go. Who am I talking with? I don't know. I just asked Jake today, and he's like, I don't know yet, because I've never done it. So I would imagine we're all gonna fit in one truck or a couple trucks or something.
Okay. Yeah, Kiki can throw his board and his friend's board in somebody's truck, so he'll figure it out. They'll on it. My
Yeah.
in my car already. So
Have you been there before?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
You'll have fun.
I'm not gonna go ski. I'm just gonna go
Hang out.
hang out.
Hey, I go snowboard, so I'll be the official table saver tomorrow.
Oh, cool. Okay, cool. You snowboard?
No.
Oh.
She tried once upon a time. I've
Yeah.
tried several times. It doesn't work out.
I don't think it'll work out with me. I've already broke my clavicle just riding my bike, so I don't want to. I'm not. Did you?
So we can be the official table savers.
Okay, perfect.
What was your name again?
Robert.
Robert. Yeah.
I'm Jake Snuggle. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
All right, so we're going to the mountains tomorrow to a ski lodge, and I'm just out here in Huntington Beach. And so those are my friends, but I didn't want to stick the camera in their face. So, all right, so it's a beautiful sunny day.
I know.
It's gorgeous out. Now, I love coming down to Huntington Beach on the weekends because there's so many people out. This is really a destination for a lot of people. You know, it's the holidays. We just got through Thanksgiving, and Christmas is coming up, and you know, this is a real festive time of the year. And when you've got weather like this where it's sunny and you're on the beach, you can't beat that. So we're just gonna walk down Main Street. We're just passing the Starbucks coffee right now, and they've got a lot of eateries with outdoor patios and space heaters, and it's a great crowd. We got music going on upstairs, outdoor bars, dive bars, and if you're going to travel to Newport Beach, Costa Mesa, this is a destination you have got to see. Huntington Beach on the boulevard. So many outdoor eateries, so many places to see, and it's really nice during the daytime. We got sports bars, people overflowing from the sports bars, people overflowing from the patios, and it's just a real nice time of year to be here. So it's only like a 2-minute walk up to Pacific Coast Highway. In the material world, our spirits love the song by the Police. Love the song. We've got little shops with cookies and all kinds of things. So now this corner, I've been here before, and I've had drinks over here above the Baskin Robbins, and there's a little bar up there with great views of this intersection called Huntington Beach Beer Company, and I had a Purple Haze IPA beer with a shot glass dropped into the beer up there before, and it was just great to see the views on the street, and just all the surfers would come down here and sit right here. And as you can see, everybody's sitting outside, having lunch, walking dogs. We got the police cruisers out, and we're just crossing Walnut in Maine. Look at a little tour bus full of people, just everybody driving in, people on their bikes, people on their motorcycles, people walking, people with long hair, Grateful Dead beards, just everybody's walking, everybody's talking, everybody's having fun. We got motorcycles, we got people barefoot unloading their things out of the truck. And just ahead, you see the pier. And we're just passing Wanghu's Tacos. It's sunny. I need some sunglasses for this. Now, to the left, we have Fred's Mexican Cafe and Cantina. And that place is a gorgeous 3-story building with umbrellas sitting on the 2nd floor. All right, we've got discount Nike. Everything you want here. T-shirts. Now, I noticed last time I was here in Huntington Beach, they have outdoor ice skating right now for the holidays. Oh, look at the cute little doggy. And everybody's out there bike. Everybody's out. All right, we're across it now. We're across the Pacific Coast Highway. It's exciting being out today, everybody. There's just everybody here. People are loving it because the weather's so great. Everybody wants to be out. To the right, we have the outdoor ice skating. And then we've got musicians today.
Alright. What? Hey, he's got a Cosmo there.
Now, just to the right, we have a lot of outdoor like seating, and on the weekends, on Sundays, they have the bongo drum players play here. And this is the Boardwalk, everyone. Now, just to the left and right, we've got below, we have the walk, the Boardwalk. And you can see all the people down below walking. And it's real nice out. So it's a great place to people watch and dine. We've got Sandy's Beach Shack just below. It's really nice. And we have people playing volleyball over here by the beach. Yeah. So where we're at here. 26 minutes. All right, everybody, that's the pier in Newport in Huntington Beach. We are just minutes away from the ocean, and there's people surfing on December 3rd. It's packed. You got the lifeguards out. Everybody's out at the beach. We've arrived, everyone. Thanks for watching Beach Gypsy on YouTube. Stay tuned for more videos of the California coast, Orange County. And we've got the Huntington Surf Sport just below, having a surf event. And we've arrived, everyone. We are at the beach. And here comes the lifeguard right now, coming in. We'll end the video on this note. Thank you for watching. All right, everybody, we're ending this tour at Huntington Beach on Main Street at the Baskin-Robbins. And as usual, I'm having finish my trip with a strawberry cheesecake. Cold glove. All right. Thanks for watching Beach Gypsy on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe.